Okay, this is Parature Skills tutorial 2, and we're gonna be doing, as usual, Cinema 4D, and we'll discuss a lot of stuff related to how to drag stuff. We understand the basic tools and functions in Cinema 4D. So today we're gonna be dealing with the edges, the vertices, the faces, and how to access them and stuff like that. So first thing we have to do is let's try and create a cube. As you can see, a cube has been created, and we could just move this up and down right now. So now for you to make use of those cubes, to be able to access the faces and the vertices and everything related to it, all you have to do is quite simple. Actually, it's quite simple. You just have to click this place and make it editable, as you can see. So right now this is the points. That means the places at the edges, the points at the edges. This should be the edges itself, and this should be the faces of the polygon. So if I click this, that means I'll be able to access those parts, and I can just zoom in like this, or if I could just scale it, I can scale it on and off in any way I want, or I could just try and rotate this just like this. So let's just say press Ctrl Z to undo this. So if I click the faces right here, I could just access the faces. I could do a lot of stuff with the faces, as you can see, a lot of crazy stuff with the faces. And also if I click this, the edges, I could sure do a lot of crazy stuff with the edges. Let's say I decide to move it down like this, can form any kind of shape I want it to form. So let's say this is pretty kind of interesting to do with Cinema 4D. So that's all about the basics of some of the tools with it. That means you can access the edges, the vertices, even the face itself. So maybe in the next one, talk about some few tools right here, such as the pen tool, the twist tool, the melt, even the correction, the sphärify. Some of the tools here will actually be made mention of in our next video. So make sure you watch out for that. And also one thing you can always do in Cinema 4D is that it requires a lot of patience. Okay, it's actually very easy to learn. Okay, and for you to learn it just won't take much of your time. So you just have to just stay as calm as possible, because you're gonna learn this thing very fast. And Cinema 4D is quite easy to do. Like, look at the tools are actually very easy for you to use. Now I could just say, what's the render view? Let me see the render view. This is what's gonna show my render view, because I've not done much work on it. But after I do works on it, like give it a color, give it a shape, give it everything, it starts to look better. So if I want to, if I click on anything, it can become more, everything is more editable. But to make everything just to be at one point stable, I could just click this icon right here, and I can move my shape as a whole shape all over and over again. So let's just say it's kind of quite easy to use Cinema 4D. Okay, but which one do you prefer, Cinema 4D or Maya? You can tell us in the comment below, which one do you prefer? As in, our next tutorial we're dealing with some of the tools here before we move to some of the spline tools, and we could do some real stuff with the stuff, like all the shapes here are actually quite useful for us. So maybe we have got a lot of stuff to do actually, and we think that maybe some time Maya tutorial have to be more than Cinema 4D. So which one do you think is quite easy for you? Give us in the comment section below, and we will kindly love it. Thank you very much for this tutorial. Have a beautiful, nice and wonderful day, and please stay safe.